Today is a good gloomy day. I just feel like I'm in my body. Good morning.
Do we have money?
Aries.
What?
Vlog. Good morning. Welcome back. Today is a good gloomy day. It looks like it's going to rain, but I don't know. I just woke up with so much gratitude today, and I don't know, like I just feel like I'm in my body, and I was able to wake up, moved my body a little bit, and the thing is I woke up feeling very tense, but I was like, let me wake up and move my body, because I could tell that my body just wanted to move. So I woke up, moved my body, and after moving my body I felt so energized and in myself. Like I felt like, okay, so I decided to get up and get on with my day and do what I need to do today. As you could see, I just finished journaling, and this is the journal. I love this journal so much. I got it from Shein, and it's so good. Like, and I want to show you the pages also. It's such good quality at an affordable price. It has a date. You can even also use it like as a planner or note taking, but I mostly just use it for journaling. And it has 2 book markers. What am I going to do today? I wanna schedule I wanna have like a rough schedule where I can have like a visual of how I want my days, how I break down my days for all the activities I wanna do in a day. And I mean, like, from morning, I want to read in the morning, I want to go into my word in the morning, everything that I want to do, break it down, like, okay, from 8 to 9 it's Bible prayer, reading, and then maybe from 9 to 9:30 it's movement. and then the rest of the day can be for other things, you know. Also I have a quiz that I need to submit and an assignment, but the assignment is really voluntary, but I wanna do it because it's on a training that I did yesterday. So I just wanna make sure that I understand everything that for the last 2 days I was in training. So I just wanna do the task simply because I wanna see that I do understand what the training was all about. And so right now, I think it was in my previous vlog where I said that I want to read 2 pages or at least a page a day of poetry. I have a novel that I'm reading before the coffee gets cold. Because I've been so busy, I haven't been able, I've only read a few pages, so I haven't been in it. But I want to make sure, because poetry is usually short, and I want to read at least 2 poems a day in the morning, you know, so that hey, it's been a few days later, and yeah, I thought I'd come and check in. Even though there isn't much to check in on, but you know, I missed you and I thought I'd come and say, hey girl, hey. um, but anyway, I felt so cute today with my outfit. I love this look I have today. And yeah, I'm just gonna be chilling. It's the weekend today, it's Saturday, but it's a gloomy Saturday, but I see the sun is peeking out, so I know it's gonna be even a hotter afternoon. Yeah, I smell so good. Like when I say I smell delicious, and like some of you are gonna look at me and be like, are you sure? But trust me, I think I've just discovered my ultimate shower routine, and I would say I have one of the best shower routines, even though I have to say so myself. Like, I'm a self-appointed queen of self-care, so nobody can touch me in that department. And what I like the most about my routines is that I never break bank. Me, I never break bank. But today, I'm more excited about today's ones because of all my shower routines. I feel like this one just makes me smell so good. Like I smell delicious, you know. You know, I smell really good. So I wanted to share that. I'm excited to share that with you, actually. So I first go in with this body wash, even though I don't think the scent of the body wash matters, but oh no, first I go in, good old lady Miss Dove. I go in with her first using a washcloth, right? And then second, I go with a body wash, and I don't think your body wash matters, even your bar soap, it doesn't matter. Sometimes I use, or my other favorite one is Dettol, so sometimes I'd even use that. And then you go in with this body shower, then our old Miss Nivea shower oil. This is a new entry into my shower routine and I absolutely love it. And then just after you get off the shower, bam, Baby Johnson comes in. And you put her on while, just as you get out of the shower, before you even step foot out of the shower, before you even dry yourself. I don't know if this is a tip, but I feel like, I don't know, don't quote me on this, but in my years of showering, I always air dry. I don't wipe myself off after showering. I let myself air dry. And before I can even step out of the shower, I put this on and I let it air dry while I'm still wet. And if you wanna go all out, Palmer's skin therapy oil. They also have a body oil. There's this brand Afri Pure. They also have a nice vanilla body oil. Good, but it's gotten expensive. But so is Palmer's. I feel like Palmer's it's more of a bit of a pricier. Then you go in with your oil to lock in all that body butter, right? And then you go in with your Vaseline. These three are your holy grail into smelling good, fresh and delicious, and what I like most about them, these are under 50 rand, so very cheap. And this, while I can't remember, it's 100 and something, I think, but very cheap also. So you go in with this, I don't even know what this is called, but here we go. You go in with this. You can take a screenshot of this. Actually, I'll check the name and I'll put it on the screen. And then this is the order you go in, right? You just put in your Vaseline. Go with this body mist, the vanilla body mist. And then after the body mist, you go with this one, the Rock and Rooibos one. After that, then you go in with this one. Trust me. I was sitting down, I'm like, I smell good. Like, I really, really smell delicious. And for the price point, I'm one of those people, I just hate cheap perfume, and I don't like, I don't want to say a lot because to each their own, I just don't like cheap perfume. But this, you can trust me on that one. You will smell delicious. But anyway, with that being said, I hope you find that helpful. Please give it a try. Just give it a try, just one time, and let me know. Let me know how you feel about it. I personally, I love self-care so much, and I don't compromise on my self-care. It's because nothing makes me feel more like loving myself. That's the best love language I receive from myself, is when I care for my body. And yeah, but anyway, thank you so much for watching this video up until this point. I will see you on Sunday.